What's up, what's up, what's up? Ladies and gentlemen, Dominoes 7 here, okay? Alright. Today, September the 15th, 2014, 2020, 2014, I'm tripping. What's wrong with me? Am I late in the Twilight Zone or something? Alright. So, welcome to this windy live stream episode of the Domino 7 Show, Facebook Live episode of the Domino 7 Show. Okay, as y'all know, it's sunny out here in New Orleans. Okay, so look at the sun. Stare at the sun, everybody. Do y'all see that? Oh, I thought my video froze up. All right. So here I am, about to sit on this ledge. Okay. All right. So I'm here doing the weather probably. So seem like we gonna dodge a bullet, you know. Good news for Southeast Louisiana. All right, Southeast Louisiana, yes, Southeast Louisiana. Good news for Acadiana. Okay. Yes, indeed, Acadiana that I love so much. But don't get me wrong. I love the 504. I love Orleans Parish. I love Jefferson Parish. You know, but since my family is closer, you know, I gotta stay here. You know, who gonna cook for us? Nobody knows. Look at the sun, ladies and gentlemen. Do y'all see the sun shining? Yep. I know. Nobody's supposed to be staring at the sun, but my camera is staring at the sun. All right. So it's windy. Look at the trees and the bushes. Y'all see that? Too bad my friend Christina don't live here anymore. I thought she moved to Kenner. Somebody say she in the suburb. I guess I should have said that because it's possible she could be watching my show right now. Well, at this point she not watching at this point. But after I finish, she'll probably watch this. You know. Nothing personal know about that, you know. All right. It's awful quiet around here, y'all. The wind is blowing. Yep. Look at all this. The wind blowing all over, you know. As some of you people bracing yourselves for Hurricane Sally, you know. It weakened to a Category 1 hurricane. It was strengthening at first, but it weakened. The good news, y'all, it ain't gonna be another Hurricane Katrina. Thank God. So y'all know how bad it was for Hurricane Ike that hit some parts of Texas, you know. And you know what? I want to tell y'all something. Y'all remember an episode of Maury when they had this out of control teen and all that somewhere from Texas. Maury Povich said that they lost contact in them people. You know. Yes, indeed. Okay. So I'm gonna put it to you like this. This is not uploaded to YouTube yet, as I speak. I'm live streaming. But if this live stream already on YouTube, then what's up? So, I mean, I got a lot of work to do before I do anything else like that, you know? So anyway, it's kind of flooded in St. Bernard Parish right now. You know, I'm talking about the lower parts of St. Bernard Parish, you know, outside the level protection, you know. So some of them roads impassable, you know. It's very impassable, you know. So so I must say, y'all, I mean, it's very unpassable and stuff like that. But but fortunately for us, we safe, you know. I'm not just talking about we as in me and my brother. We as in all us around here. You know, outside the layer of protection, a mandatory evacuation. You know. So all I'm saying is brace yourselves. Wherever y'all at, brace yourselves right now. Okay. All right. So so you know what, ladies and gentlemen, you know my deep concerns, not only for my people though, you know, especially my family across the canal, you know. My deep concern for my people across the river too. I'm gonna say some names right now. Kirsten K. I mean, you know, yeah, she's a singer. Check out her music, you know. All right. So she appeared on my show already, you know. When she visited Walmart, you know, I couldn't interview her walking at the same time, you know. Okay. She made her debut on the Domino 7 show. Okay. Well, I don't know who's watching this program. Okay. I don't know who watching this live stream. I don't know who's watching this recording with whatever the heck it is. If you related to Kirsten, it, if you want to know the video or something, go on YouTube and type Kirsten K appearance on the Domino 7 show. Okay, that's all. All right. So anyway, not only that she's a superstar, I'm a superstar too. Okay. I mean, on the serious side though, I don't know who watches Domino 7. You understand? I don't know who be watching my shows. I really don't. You know. I mean, anybody could be sneaking up to watch the Domino 7 show. All right, the sun's shining. Y'all look at that. The sun is out. I know y'all either looking at the sun from your computer, iPhone, tablet, Kindle, or your television set from a smart TV, a PlayStation 3, a PlayStation 2. No, not PlayStation 2. PlayStation 4, Xbox of Xbox 360, Xbox 100, Xbox 100. Nah, I mean Xbox One. Okay. All right, y'all. So anyway, I don't know who watches. You know, I really don't know who watches the Domino 7 show. You know. All right. I mean, much as I've been on, I've been doing this YouTube show since 2010, about 9 months after I met Tanya, you know. So anyway, when I told people I was gonna start doing the YouTube show, people believed me, you know. But I had no idea I was getting a webcam. Thanks to my mom's friend from New Iberia, Miss Leslie. Okay. Yeah. So it's kind of peaceful around here all of a sudden, you know. Nice and good out here, you know. The wind blowing though. Shamika is either asleep or what, you know. She can enjoy her moment. Yes, indeed. Enjoy the moment. Well, well, trying to think of what to say. Trying to think of what the heck to say, you know. All right, let's go inside. I think I want to invite somebody on. Oh, Let's see if he'll want to communicate. No answer. Hold on. Oh, I came inside because my 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 uncle was online. I wanted to bring him on camera right now. You know. Mm-hmm. All right. Oh. Well, I might as well go back outside then. All right. Reason why I went inside because my my cousin was online watching it. But let me see if I can try. Let's stare in here. Oh snap. Well, all right. I might as well stop this tape. About to give my people a call. Okay. All right. Thank y'all for watching so far. Thank y'all for supporting. All right. Brace yourselves for Hurricane Sally. Okay. Bye.